We joined the program because of its international scope and the value of the scenarios it addresses.
My role as a business coach is to sponsor the startup The Edge company.
My role as a coach in this acceleration program is to define and build with The Edge company a technical solution to tackle the aircraft detection problem.
With Thales, we started together putting in place an AI-based obstacle detector for the urban air mobility to begin with. And we're still discussing how to maximize the potential opportunity arising from a networked approach using the different AI-based solutions available.
We work together on a detect and avoid system. This kind of solution is going to be used in the avionics domain, mainly for urban and regional air mobility markets.
Well, the most important things in this program is the support that we had, helping us to switch from a startup to a company mindset.
With The Edge company, we put in place an aircraft detection project aiming to secure the airspace for both manned aviation and autonomous operations.
Well, to the startups who want to join the AI at Centech program next year, we will recommend to commit to, rely on, and get the best out of experienced people like the ones you will find at Thales.